There's a bird in the office. Shoe bird. Shoe bird. Shoe. Whoa. Dip. Dip. Other way. Other way, bird.
Hey.
Yeah?
Where's the cabin on the fusion?
On the glove box.
Is the glove box?
Yeah.
Are you filming?
Yeah. There's a bird in the office, man. We must get him out. And we must film, because it's funny. No, not... Go the other way. Yeah, fucker. I was just gonna pick him up. Just grab him.
Shut up!
Shut up.
I'm scared. He bites me.
No,
it hurts.
No, it's a bird, man. It doesn't hurt. Just get him out of the office. That's step one. As long as he's out of the office, we can shut the door. Go, 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 go. Oh.
Get him?
Fly down.
Okay, I'll get him. I'll get him.
What, you want to keep him for the day?
Barbecue this.
I'm down to have a little mascot. A little pet. Whoa, shit.
Really? You go over the same place? I know you're scared. Just calm down. Relax. Relax.
Just deal with your car, dog. Oh, bird's out of control. Just pokes him. Just grab him. He didn't bite you, see? You're good. You got him. Whoa, why'd you let
I don't
that
want to
go?
squeeze him. Screw the gloves.
No, because they have diseases, you know.
Yeah. The avian disease. Oh, John, show it. John's the man. I just missed you grabbing him like that. That was intense.
There we go.
John's got a set.
Aww.
Be free, birdie. He's coming back in. He's coming in. He doesn't want to leave. He likes it in here. Oh, crash landed. Crash landed. Get him, John. Excuse me, pal.
Are you still filming?
Yeah, for sure. He likes it in here. It's warm, I guess. Alright.